Welcome back to my channel. In this session we will see how we can test this circuit breaker. It is from SUROX JQIF T125, 16 ampere 250 volt. It is a switch normally used in the electric kettles, the water jugs. Basically it is a switch. We turn it on when the temperature will reach at 125 degree, the boiling temperature of the steam in the water jug. It will sense, and at that time its bimetallic plate will cause to trip the contact. At that time this plate will push inside and it will open the contact. It have two terminals. Line or neutral can be controlled from this switch. To test it, set multimeter to continuity, or you can set to resistance mode. It is open. When I will press, now it is giving continuity. If we check in resistance mode, 0.1 ohm. Now what we will do, we will give heat, but the heat must be away from the plastic. Yes, it is open. Now I will press again. Yes, it is open. If I will press again, it will not make until bimetallic plate is returned back to its position. Now it is returned back. Now I will heat up again. Yes, just apply heat closer to this plate, so that the plastic should be protected. We can see again. Yes, it's off. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching.